Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Kraken. First, navigate to the Trade section on the Kraken platform. Select the Margin tab to access leverage trading options. You'll need to ensure your account is verified to the intermediate level or higher to enable margin trading. Always start by understanding the risks involved before placing any leverage trades. Once you're in the margin trading interface, choose the asset you wish to trade with leverage. Kraken typically offers leverage up to 5 times, depending on the asset and your account level. Carefully select your leverage amount, remembering that higher leverage means higher risk. Always set a stop-loss order to manage potential losses effectively. After placing your leverage trade, it's crucial to continuously monitor your position. Keep an eye on your margin level and the estimated liquidation price. If the market moves against you, you might need to add more collateral to avoid automatic liquidation. You can close your position at any time to realize profits or cut losses. Leverage is a powerful tool, but it comes with substantial risks. While it can amplify your profits, it can also lead to rapid and significant losses, potentially exceeding your initial investment. Always trade with a clear strategy and never risk more than you can afford to lose. For more trading tips and to check out deals on smart speakers like the Echo Dot, see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.